Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install the YouTube Kids app to your Android TV, even if you don't have Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and you don't have Google Play Store, but you want to install the Google YouTube app or YouTube Kids app, this is exactly what to do. Go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So in your browser, you're going to type in the YouTube Kids app, and here is it over here. Please, the YouTube Kids app is different from the YouTube app. So that's one thing you should know. So once I come over here, here's the application. Now there's one thing I just want to say. The application is not available in every country, especially in African countries. But if you are living in Europe or in the Americas, then you are probably going to have access to the application here. So what you have to do is just go over here, and then you are going to see the application here. I click on it, and you're going to get the install button if the application is available in your country. So I don't know the various countries that are available in, but I just know that it is not available in some countries like mine. So the application is not available here, and that's why I cannot install the application. But if it is available in your country, you're going to get the install button just here, and then you go ahead and install the application just like you install any application from Google Play Store. But in this case, we are using the browser, not the Google Play Store app. So if that option doesn't work for some reason, then you can still browse through to see if there's any third-party site that gives you available options to install the application. But I don't think there is anyway yet. There's this an option here, the up to down option. You can come over to this option here, and you are going to get to install the application without any issues from here. And that's how to download and install the application. But now if you go ahead and install the application in a country that is not available, then in you are not going to be able to use the application because it might not be available in that country. So if you are facing such a problem, what you can do is to use a VPN. So that's what I can suggest. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.